Hey guys, it's your boy Darron Brown of GeekMODE School of React Native, and I'm going to be your instructor for this video. Now, depending on what your experience level is, this problem may be easy or difficult, so don't judge. For me personally, this problem came pretty easy to me, but I am a veteran at coding. Not the best, but I'm familiar, so for you guys who are watching this video, my guess is that you're a beginner. Now, basically what a big vary sum is, it's asking us what it's telling us to do. It wants us to take every one of the values in the array, each one of these numbers, and it wants us to add those numbers to each other. So usually we can use a traditional for loop to handle this, but I want you guys to get used to using JavaScript's built-in functions. And the function we're going to use for this is reduce. Now, if you go to Mozilla's website and check out the reduce function, the example that they provide pretty much solves our problem for us. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to copy. Before I copy, I want you guys to scroll down, make sure you copy this function right here, all right? So I'm going to copy our reducer, go to my text editor, and I'm just going to, one second, I'm just going to paste in the code that we got from Mozilla. All right, I want you guys to cut out the accumulator and the current value. And I'm going to console log what the accumulator is and then what the current value is as well. All right. So I'll just comment this out for right now. Now, if we go ahead and actually use our reducer, I'm going to return reducer. Actually, let me go out of this. I'm going to grab our array dot rr dot reduce. Grab this function, paste this in. Okay. Now that that's cleaned up, now I'm going to console log this so you guys can get an idea how it's actually supposed to work. So go to my editor, clear this out. Hey, what's up guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoyed it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video. Now I'm going to run the code a very big sum. And as you can see, it increments that value, but it's coming as undefined. And the reason that it's coming in undefined is because we're not actually doing anything with this value. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to create a new variable. I'm going to say this, call our variable value. We're going to set our value equal to our reducer. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add these two together. So we're going to add our accumulator plus our current value. Let's just return this value. All right. And then we're going to console log our value. Let's run that again. Now, as you can see, it may be hard to see, but we're getting our accumulator and our current value. This is our accumulator, our current value, and then we're getting our current value. This is our accumulator, which is coming through, which is this number plus this number, and this is going to be our new accumulator. And then this is going to be added by this number right here. And as you can see, it keeps incrementing until we get our final value, which is this big 5 million or something. So that's how it works, and that's basically this example returns exactly what we want it to return. So let's make sure before we return back to HackingRank's website, let's return our value. We can actually do this as an inline variable. As you can see, my IDE automatically updates that for us. So you guys update yours, return this. Okay, so go ahead, save this, copy it, return back to HackerRank. We're going to paste that in right here. That's exactly what we expected to get back. And it passed all of our tests. Awesome. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any more questions or if you're still confused with how reduce works, just feel free to reach out to me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.